Hi there, students. A census. Okay, a census is like an official survey made by a country or by a government to find out the demographics of their country. They count the number of people and they collect information about these people. So a census would include the number of people, the number of houses available, people's age, their traditional culture, the different businesses, the traffic moving in from place to place, the agriculture. Okay, so a census it's like a government survey to find out the demographics of your country so that you can plan for the future. Yeah, you can then make recommendations about what you need more of and things to do because, as they say, information is king. Although I think originally this word census it came from Latin, which was an official count of the people in Rome and their property to so that you could tax them. It's like a type of poll tax, yeah, counting each of the people. Let's see. It comes from this the Latin word censere, to assess. Yeah, and it effectively you're registering all the citizens and everything they own, so that you can then send them a tax bill. But obviously you're doing this so that you can plan properly in the future, so that this is for the good of the population. You can also do a census on other things. Yeah, you could do a traffic census, the number of cars going down a road and the type of car and the reason why they're traveling. Or you could do the census on a population of rabbits or the population of animals in a certain area. Okay, so a census, it's like a survey to give you the demographic data about this this population of animals. Yeah, it's effectively the government counting. Yeah, according to the latest U.S. Census, 16% of the population are Hispanic. Yeah, but to count to count the people, but also to tally up, to count the number of animals, or a census of the different plants growing in an area. Okay, this I think, yes, it's a noun, it's a countable noun. As to formality, a census, it's a bit business-like or scientific. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think informally, yeah, a count or a survey of something. Use it in a semi-formal conversation or above. You can use it in something very formal as well if you want. So a census, it's a count of the population of people or animals, working out the property, the different things, the different demographics of a place. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A census.